Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create a stunning fade effect on an image in Figma, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through a simple yet super effective method to fade an image, whether you're working on web design mockups, presentations, or just want to add some subtle flair to your visuals. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to achieve that smooth gradient fade so your images blend beautifully into your designs. Let's dive right in. For starters, open up your Figma project and make sure you have the image you want to fade already on your canvas. If you don't have an image yet, go ahead and import one now. Just drag and drop or use the Place Image option in the top menu. Next, we're going to add a shape. This is the secret piece to creating the fade. You can use a rectangle, which is most common, but technically any shape will work. Now, when you draw your rectangle, you want to make sure it's a bit bigger than your image. That might sound odd, but here's why it matters. By making the shape larger, you ensure the fade effect covers the entire image, even if you move things around or resize them later. Think of it like putting a slightly oversized filter over a photo. You want a bit of extra coverage on all sides so everything looks smooth and seamless. Once your rectangle is in place, you'll notice that it sits right on top of your image. But for the effect we want, the rectangle needs to be behind the image, almost like it's the backdrop. You can quickly do this by right-clicking on the shape and choosing Send to Back, or just use the layer ordering on the left panel. Don't worry if you lose sight of your shape for a moment. As soon as we add the fade, it'll become visible again. With your rectangle still selected, let's head over to the right-hand side of Figma to the Fill section. Here, where the magic happens. Click on the Fill Color to open up the Color menu and then select Linear Gradient. This will allow us to control how the color fades across the rectangle. Now pay attention to the gradient handles that appear. You'll see two color stop points. Click on the first handle and set its color to black. This will be the starting point of your fade, the area where your image appears fully opaque. Then move to the second handle and again make it black, but here, the key, adjust its opacity down to 0%. You can drag the transparency slider until it disappears, creating a perfect fade to transparent. What's actually happening is that the image beneath your rectangle will start out fully visible and then fade out to nothing as it reaches the edge of your shape. If you want the fade to go in a specific direction, for example from top to bottom or left to right, just rotate the handles until you're happy with how it looks. Now for the final step, blending everything together. Hold down Shift and select both the shape and your image on the canvas. With both selected, right-click and choose the Use as Mask option. You'll see that your image instantly adopts the fade effect of the rectangle. It's a little bit of Figma magic. The rectangle acts as a mask, telling Figma where to keep your image visible and where to gently let it fade away. If the effect doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can double-click to edit the mask or adjust the gradient as much as you need. And that's it. You've just learned a quick, versatile way to fade images in Figma. This trick works wonders for backgrounds, banners, or any time you want a less harsh edge on your visuals. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any snags along the way. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, powerful Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.